Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Quorra. Today we're talking about some unexpected assets that are on the rise. You might be thinking, what could possibly beat out the S&P 500? Well, let me tell you, it's not just the Pokémon cards that are breaking records. Did you know that the value of Pokémon trading cards has increased by an astonishing 3,821% since 2004? That's right, folks. The market for these collectible cards has seen explosive growth during the pandemic, and this interest has proven stable. In fact, they've even outpaced the S&P 500, which saw a 483% increase over the same time period. But what about other assets that could be worth watching? Well, let's start with AI. According to research from Nest Digital Engineering, AI is increasing the capabilities of software engineers significantly. With AI, engineers can reduce their task completion time for existing code updates by 70%, while senior engineers see a 48% reduction in task complete time. The study also found that AI supported engineers to handle complex coding scenarios with increased efficiency and fostered a more collaborative and dynamic work environment. This means that the value associated with tech experts is likely to increase significantly. Companies like IBM and Accenture are two to watch, as they're well-positioned to benefit from this trend. Next up, let's talk about energy. Nuclear energy is making a comeback, and it's not just because of its potential to provide low-carbon power. Countries in Latin America like El Salvador, Peru, Colombia, Chile, and Bolivia are exploring nuclear energy, with some having research reactors and expressing interest in building full-scale plants. The rise of mega data centers has also made the case for more nuclear energy. Goldman Sachs noted that several big tech companies signed contracts for new nuclear capacity in the last year, and there could be more such deals ahead. Local states are also investing in fusion energy solutions. Like the Tennessee Valley, authorities' interest in deploying Type 1's stellarator-based fusion power plant technology. Now, let's shift gears to health data. Patient data is a valuable, intangible asset that contains a wealth of information. Healthcare providers, pharmaceutical companies, and government agencies are all interested in access to these datasets. The U.S. healthcare analytics market is expected to be valued at $47.4 billion USD by 2029. According to health tech company Purple Lab, $2.97 billion was spent on TV ads for pharma brands in the first half of 2025, which was a 12.2% YoY jump. Companies like 360 Health Data are working to make this information available in other languages, focusing on Latin American healthcare providers and clinicians. Last but not least, let's talk about communication. Traditional executive services used to cost thousands of dollars a month, but AI is making the traditional model obsolete. Present is one company that's challenging this status quo by delivering board decks in hours, not weeks, and sales narratives in minutes, not days. So there you have it, folks. These unexpected assets are on the rise, and they're worth keeping an eye on. Whether it's Pokémon cards, AI-powered software engineers, nuclear energy, health data, or communication services, these trends are going to shape the future of business and investing. Thanks for joining me on Quorra today, and I'll catch you all in the next video.